Hari Raya dito guys o Ramadan. So pauwi na kami dyan. Naimbitahan kami ng isang kaibigang kapatid nating Muslim. So doon kami nag-dinner. And ayan, pabalik na kami ng bahay.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bold.
Morning guys, here is Lakshmi. She having a breakfast. She have meron siya nitong itlog, nilagang itlog. At saka, and itong kanyang milk chocolate. Say good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Antok-antok pa siya. Late na. Okay, late na natulog kagabi. Here. Okay, go. Morning everyone. Tayo ay naglalaba today. Dahil itong mga to hindi pwedeng washing machine. So, kusot tayo. Magmano-mano tayong laba today. And while I'm washing here, Sana is doing her homework. Ang dami niyang assignment today. Kasi 1 week silang walang pasok. So, yung teacher nila binigyan siya ng mga homework. Ang daming homework niya na ginagawa niya. So, and pagkatapos nito nga tayo ay magluluto. Di ko pa iniisip ko pa kung lulutuin ko today. Kung anong lunch. Magiging lunch naman ni Lakshmi. Pero last night meron nagbigay sa amin ng chicken, butter chicken. So yun iinitin ko mamaya. Tapos mag-a-add na lang ako ng vegetable. Yun ang magiging lunch namin. Ayun si Lakshmi. May estudyante gumagawa ng assignment. At the same time, naglalaro. Mag-merienda muna tong aming Richokote. Binigyan ko siya ng biscuit at saka dates. Pero ayun yung kumain. Chi! A biscuit here. Guys, napakainit. Nakaupo ko dito sa labas. Ito yung mga ginagagawang panggunis. Yung sila, yung ano namin, papi, pinapakain ko. Binigyan ko ng biscuit. Tapos, yung kagaling ng lunch namin ni lunch, hindi ko na binigyan kasi napakasimple lang naman. Nag-fry lang ako ng isda. Kasi kagahapon may nagbigay ng butter chicken. So, yun, ininit ko lang. Tapos, na-vegetable ako. With mixed veggie ako. Yun ang naging lunch namin ni Lakshmi. And then, mamayang gabi, di ko alam kung ano magiging dinner. Kay Lakshmi lang actually, kasi ako, makakain ako fried oats lang yung dinner ko. So, si Lakshmi, hindi ko pa alam kung ano magiging dinner. 5:30 na guys, but si Lakshmi still sleeping pa din. So, mamayang gabi, for sure late na naman siyang matutulog yan. Merienda tayo guys. Meron tayo nitong Malay cakes, cassava cake, tsaka nito, di ko alam kung ang tawag dito nito. Oops, muntik nang malaglag. Tsaka itong sweet kay Lakshmi. Pinagluto ko ng noodles si Lakshmi. Nag-request siya, gusto daw niya ng noodles. So, ito yung kanyang magiging dinner. Nilagyan ko lang ng itlog at tsaka cabbage. Kakain na si Lakshmi. Why you face like that? Huh? You happy? Your request granted? You have a noodles here? Ah, never mind. It's okay. Huh? Say hi to the guys.
Hi.
Okay, what do you must say? What do you want to tell the guys? Kain muna siya guys. Magdi-dinner siya. Gabi na. Madilim na. It's night already. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me